Absolutely nothing. And nothing stops you from getting paid to feed that system. Let me backtrack a little bit. So I have a degree in media forensics. I've trained AI to spot manipulated photos, videos, articles. Starts off slow, gets very complex. Music, a little bit different. If a library were to do that, they would be smart enough, I would hope, to go to their team of composers and use their music as a data set, or open up, give their composers access to the tools and have them generate the music, since they have the ears to comb through it and get the gems and continue working music from there. That would be smart and very, very, very fast. How much that would pay, I do not know. Now I'm pulling this from my experience again with training AI and getting paid to feed data sets. And there's a few companies who have asked for my help to spot splice loops. So it's not something that I would fear. I would embrace it, see where it goes, because if a bunch of libraries or publishers do start training a bunch of their composers' data sets, and you were sitting on the sideline because you were kind of afraid of the takeover, oh, you're gonna be left out. You're gonna be left out, buddy. But that's how I feel about it.